Meaning of dummy.
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 Dummy. The term dummy can have a few different meanings depending on the context. It can refer to an object that is used as a placeholder or a simulation of a real object. It can also refer to a person who is seen as foolish or lacking intelligence. In computing, dummy can refer to a placeholder variable or function used for testing or code completion purposes. Overall, dummy tends to describe something or someone that is not real or not fully functional, used as a temporary substitute or a stand-in until the real thing is available.